Hello everybody, this is Fabian Anneker and welcome to this video. Today's video I want to talk about backups. Maybe you have already seen the videos from before where I talked about backups of your lists. In my example it was in a GetResponse. Now I want to show you how you can back up your WordPress blog directly in WordPress. So as I told you in the other video, it's really an important thing that you do your backups on a regular basis, depending on how much you change your data on a daily basis. So let's say you add one or even two or even more blog posts a day to your WordPress blog, then I would also recommend to make daily backups or at least every second or third day, because if just anything happens with your blog or with your hosting company and you lose all your files, what you have is your last backup. So if you have written in the meantime like 5 to 10 blog posts, they are all gone, except you have saved them somewhere in a Word file or somewhere else. Then of course you're still safe. But let me quickly show you how you can do an easy backup of your WordPress blog. So I go here to any blog that I have in WordPress. Then what you have to do is you actually click here on add new plugins, and then you search for a plugin which is called WordPress Database Backup. You install it. And then if you click here on, let me see, it's here on Tools, then on Backup. Here you can do some savings. Now, depending on other plugins or special installments that you have on your WordPress blog, you will find here some specific tables that you can include for your backup. So in this example it says these core WordPress tables will always be backed up. So now they are listed here, and now with some of them you actually have the chance to exclude them. And here you can include some specific tables. In this case it's an additional plugin that I have installed which creates additional tables, so I can choose here if I want to include them or not. Then here you have the backup options. You can either save it to the server where you have your hosting, you can download it directly to your computer, or you can send it by email to any email address that you want to. And now the cool thing is here you have a scheduled backup. So what you can choose actually is you want to schedule it, okay, every minute doesn't make sense, maybe every 5 minutes, once per hour, every 8 hours, twice daily, once daily, or once weekly. So in this case, because here I don't use this a lot, I have chosen once weekly. You can give it an email address that you want, and also here you can include some additional tables that you want to in your scheduled backup. So the only thing that you have to do then here is click on schedule backup, and if you have done this, you will get an email in this case every week, or you can get it daily, twice a day, every 8 hours or whatever, and you will get an email with one single file, and in this file you will have the backup. So in case that anything should happen, so if a company goes broke or if they shut down your account for whatever reason, at least you have your last backup that you can use. So that would, I would say, save you quite a lot of time and hassle. So go ahead, download this plugin and schedule your backup at least weekly, I would do so, and then send it per mail to you, and you can save it just somewhere locally on your PC. And that's actually it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.